Welcome YouTube. I'm back again with a new video, and in today's video it's a very short video because I just want to show you a very simple step, or rather simple steps on how you can make your images super sharp and at least make the details of the image look sharper. Yeah, so it's a very short process, and without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So here is my image. I already edited it. It's fully edited, and here is the full process, the frequency separation and everything I already did. So you notice at times when you go do your shoot, you really achieve good images, but then when you come to edit your images is when you notice that some of the images, which were very nice shots, are not that sharp as you expected them to be. Don't worry anymore. When you watch this video, it will really help. And so let's go straight to it. So after editing your picture, frequency separation and everything, you understand that when doing frequency separation, you have to divide your image into two. That's low frequency and high frequency. The high frequency always contains the skin texture. The low frequency contains the skin color. So basically we are going to deal on the high frequency, which contains the textures. That's what we're going to deal with. So click on the high frequency, which is, at times you can name it texture depending on how you want it to be. Now what you do, if your image doesn't have wasn't that sharp, what you just need to do is you just have to duplicate your high frequency layer or your texture layer. And by that, what you do, you just press on your keyboard Ctrl J, or if you're using a Mac, Command J, and there you go. I think you can see. But now the problem with this, the textures is applied all over the image, but we just want it to apply on the skin, the model's skin. So what do? You create a mask. Come down here and then click on it. What do? You invert your mask by clicking or pressing on your keyboard Ctrl I or Command I. You bring it back to normal. What do? Go take your brush, the normal brush, and then now what you need to do is you, at least, there's something I forgot. Let me first delete this. After you duplicate it, you find that the textures are now way too much. So what you need to do, go to your opacity and play with it. You have to decrease it, but then my image wasn't that bad, it was quite sharp, so I'll have to decrease it to maybe let me leave it at 50%. Now create your mask and then invert it, Command I or Control I. Go take your brush, and then the opacity should be 100. Now what you do, you brush on where you want your textures to apply. So that's basically what you're going to do on the forehead, because you don't want it to apply everywhere. I'll not apply on the shoulder side here because you can see it's blurry, because my focus was on the face, because this is a headshot. So I'll leave it at that. Let me just zoom it in. I think you can see there's a very big difference. Let me see before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. This is the before, this is the after. It's as simple as that, and we are good to go. So that's the end of my tutorial, and see you in the next one. And before I leave, actually, I'll always remind you that subscribe if you haven't, share, comment. You're free to do all that. At least it keeps me going. So let me end this one at that, and I'll probably see you in the next video.